If you're thinking of trying the Azelaic Naturals 10% azelaic acid serum, there's a couple things I want to mention before you purchase. I received this as a sample from the company and I'm going to give you my thoughts on it. I have not had azelaic acid as part of my skincare routine before this, so this product is my first in a way of acids. This one contains vitamin A, vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and organic aloe. It comes with this handy liquid dropper, so I'm getting an appropriate amount for my face each time that I use it. Directions say to wash and dry your skin prior to application, apply a small amount to the entire face and neck, allow to dry, and you may follow up with moisturizer. I would say it doesn't have a smell to it, but it does have that amber color, but that's not noticeable when placed on the skin. Now, I'm not allowed to talk about the potential health benefits of azelaic acid. You already know what those are. They may vary from person to person, and Amazon considers that to be medical advice, but hopefully this gives you an idea of what to expect from an experience standpoint if you decide to try the Eva Naturals azelaic acid.